G'day guys, Paul here from The Hook and the Cook and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm super excited. I'm out today with Chris Erity. We're going to be fishing the South Alligator River here in Kakadu National Park. So I'm hoping to get onto some really big barra. So let's give it a go. So what's that lure you got there, Chris?
That's a B52. So they're actually made here in Darwin. It's a factory here in Darwin. Breedy's B52.
Oh yeah, we passed that. Yeah.
That's a custom colour. That's one of my colours that Colin, the owner, painted up for me. That olive green colour. One of my favourites for big barra. Drag tight.
Sorted it all out, I believe.
Well, no, I haven't actually. So Chris is going to give us a bit of a demo. He's going to give Danielle a demo on what to do.
How heavy is your braid?
20-pound braid, I think, and 70-pound leader. How do you work them back, Chris?
When you wind it in,
yeah.
Just, like a rod tip up high and just sort of jig it. Just give it a little jig like that every now and then. Just a bit of action. And just fairly slow while no need to wind it fast. And you'll see as the lure comes in here, see it's just shallow. See how it swims just below the surface? This looks like a bath.
Yep.
That's all you got to do. So just jig it a tiny bit every now and then. Just.
And if she hooks a fish, Chris?
Give it to it. Don't panic.
Small one. Well, geez, they're tough, ain't they?
Oh, that's not that's alright.
Yeah. Huh?
What's that for?
Yeah, that's a barra.
Oh, it's a Barramundi.
Barramundi, lad. That was on that.
Straight off the stand.
Yeah. That's alright. There we go, I got a picture with him at least. At least it's one.
Down there, just watch that.
He's only not legal, eh? They're only.
Nah.
They got a bit. He's alright.
For a while.
Yeah. You got him?
In your last catch of power.
Oh, mate, probably 1991. A long time ago. Yeah. Oh, Great Island, yeah. When I was at Great Island, we got some. Yeah. Nice. You get him back in. Just throw him straight in. Yeah, he's gone. Yeah. Thank you, Chris. Yeah. Danielle's just got a barra and she's just got hooked around the snout here. What's that? What's a mucka? Catfish. Ah, you're on a catfish. Careful, they get poisonous then. Chris will get it off there. You call them a mucka. Got a bit of a barb on him. Chris is onto a fish now, beautiful, right in the middle here. You alright?
Back in the eddy. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway.
You want us to get the net, Chris, or? Oh, nice. That's what we want. Well done, mate. Hey?
Want me again? Get the dark in.
Yeah. So they've been up off the floodplain, eh?
Yeah, he's only just hit that wheel just near the boat.
Yeah.
He'll probably jump off here and I'll lift him in. Just in this here.
Nice. Well done, Chrissy. Awesome. Well done, mate.
It's legal, anyway.
Yeah. Beautiful. What's legal length on them, Chris?
55 centimetres.
55? Okay.
He's only just over this one.
Yeah.
And he's probably 58, something like that.
It's caught up. Alright guys, we'll see if we can come back to you with another one. Got a bit of water change here. Danielle's on it. Barra, last cast, great. Double look up.
I don't know how to do it with him.
Hold on, we got one over here as well. Double look out. So guys, what a great day we've had today with Chris Erity. Unbelievable. Thanks very much, Chris. He's holding the camera at the moment. I got my wife, well, Chris got my wife, her first Barra, which is fantastic. Happy, darling?
Oh, delighted.
She's been on the water all day, 40-degree heat, and she's got the Barra finally on the last cast. So, hope you enjoyed the clip, guys. Don't forget to watch every Friday on The Hook and the Cook, and we'll see you next week somewhere on the water. Cheers, guys.